The U.S. military criticized Russia for a, quote, unsafe encounter back on September the 23rd, when a Russian Su-35 fighter jet dangerously cut off an Air Force F-16 in the Alaska Air Defense Identification Zone. The F-16, assigned to NORAD, was intercepting a Russian aircraft when the Su-35 sharply cut in front of it, coming within feet of it. The incident follows increased Russian incursions into the Alaska Air Defense Identification Zone and is part of an ongoing aggressive behavior by Russian forces, The Hill has reported. In response, Alaska Senator Dan Sullivan called for strengthening U.S. military presence in Alaska and the Arctic.